everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins and a cat named Moonshadow who always entertains us every day. I just want to thank you for coming by and watching my video and my crafts. I hope that you will subscribe, like, hit the notification bell because Moonshadow and I would love it. Thank you and continue to watch. So I got the 4th of July and the Memorial Day signs out of Dollar Tree and they were so cute. Look at these. This is a little metal truck. It was hard for me to not use this sign as it is because I want to put it on my front door. And it's just really well made. It's cute. I'm going to take the truck apart and I am going to glue it to the front of the board. And it does just pop right off. I then had to bend the little white tabs so that it would be straight across. But it wasn't that hard. It just was more, I guess, tedious, I guess. But these were so cute. I got a couple extra because I think I might paint them and use them in other DIYs. Okay, I'm taking the cord out because I won't need that cord anymore because the car or the truck's going to go on top. But this is just really a quick and easy one for your Memorial Day, and you can use it again 4th of July. But I'm just going to glue it right to the top. Look how cute that is. I just bend those back and forth till they come off. And I'm just going to use some of my glue gun, and then I'm just going to press it down and hold it because you know with that glue gun you need to hold it on for a few minutes so that it will stick. This is so cute. I love this. It turned out great and it's quick and easy. I got some of the red, white, and blue roses and I'm going to tack these on also. I'm just going to glue them to the back with my glue gun. I'm using a lot of glue. And you just have to hold it down so the glue actually sets. I'm going to use some jute rope to the back also. And I'm doing it a little bit longer because of the truck on the top. And this is so cute. And there it is. It's just hanging on my pantry door right now, but it's going to go on my front door. I have some birds that are in my nest in my little Easter wreath, so I haven't moved it. The bird has flown in the house twice, so it's been quite exciting inside our house with the bird flying around and us trying to get it out. But anyway, this is going on my front door. I love the way it turned out. The next one is these new ones that Dollar Tree got in. The frame is not real wood, but it looks like real wood, so they're really, I think, nice to use. I have painted them before, but I have one in my mind that I'm just going to leave it just natural and see how it turns out on my next one. So this just pops right out of the back. I'm using my Dollar Tree chalk paint. and I gave it 2 coats. I just dried it in between with my little heat gun, but it definitely is going to need 2 coats because of the pink. Okay, I'm putting it back in the frame. I'll just pop it back in. I'm going to glue this little box that I got from Dollar Tree. It's got the little metal tag on the front. So if you wanted to put a little tag in there, you could. I'm using some foam in there, and then I'm going to put some moss around it. And now I'm putting some flowers. I got these beautiful bright yellow sunshiny flowers that I'm going to put in that little box, which I think is so pretty. It's such a gorgeous yellow. So I'm using my wire cutters. I'm cutting them down shorter, and I'm just putting them all right there. I have this cute little Dollar Tree tag that I got, and I'm going to glue that also to the board. So always choose happy. Look how cute that is. Oh my god, I love it. I love the colors. I'm going to put a little pink flower that came off of the board originally when it said Sweet Dreams. But how pretty did this turn out? I added a little burlap bow, and there you have it. I love this one too. Alright, my next one is one of the boards. I'm flipping it over. I'm going to cut off the cord. I'm going to get the tags off, and I'm going to paint it. I'm going to get my little hot tool to get the tag off, and then I'm just going to use the sander that I got from Dollar Tree just to get some of the glue off the back. I'm using my Rust-Oleum linen paint that I got from Amazon. It's also a chalk paint. And now I'm using Waverly's, I forget what color this one is, but it is a chalk brown. And I'm going to take this little wood box that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it with the Waverly chalk paint, which is, let me look at, see what color it is. It is truffle. This is like another variation of the DIY number 2. It's just a little bit different, but I think these really look so cool, and they're so easy to make, and they make nice gifts, or you can just put them in your bathroom or your bedroom or your kitchen. And then I've got the home wooden sign from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to also paint that with the Waverly chalk paint in Truffle. Okay, I'm using some wood glue and my glue gun because I think it'll stick better. And I'm putting it on the board that I just painted white. It might be out of focus, but I'm taking that same little box that I just painted and I'm gluing it to the board, as you'll see. There it is. Taking the wood glue again and putting it on the home sign. And I'll just add a little bit of my glue gun. Got some jute cord that I'm going to use in the holes that are already there. But as you can see, this one turned out to be too short. So I ended up cutting some more and making it longer. This one just did not work. So if you would like to subscribe, that would be wonderful. And hit the like button because that helps my channel, and the notification bell because it lets you know when I will have another video out. So I appreciate all of you that do that. If you could share with your family and friends, that also would be wonderful. Okay, I'm trying to set it up so you could see what I'm doing. I'm going to put, oh, there it is. And then I just filled it with flowers. I think this turned out so pretty. I didn't distress it because I wanted something that looked really clean, because not everything has to be distressed. So for those people that do not like that farmhouse look, this is for you. It's totally clean and fresh and beautiful. And there's the other one that I did. That one too is got a clean look to it. And this one as well. So none of these are actually distressed or farmhouse. They're just really like the clean, sleek ones. Thank you again for watching. I hope you will subscribe and like and hit the notification bell. Take care and be kind. And treat yourself kindness too. Bye.